Let's see if this fiesta starts. It's been a wee while since it's been running. Oh, I'll tell you well, a couple of weeks. Let's see if she'll go. The choke. Oh, it should go. So let's bring the fuel up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Still happening. Oh. If I go the key, it fired. Oh well. Timing's not out. I need to look at that. Good. Let's run for 5 minutes. Start the pickup up now. This one will go. This one was running at weekends, this one should fire straight at life. Like that, how you do? Yeah. Just looking to see my new CV boot, and it seems good. I've had a good feel about it. That's fine. Right, I've got some white spirit here on this expansion bottle. There would be a bit of tape from my messing about the coolant levels, but the residue of the glue's there, so I'm going to clean it off. And then I suppose I'll need to wait till somebody's here to do a light check with me. See what lights are working, what are not. I've got a funny feeling one of the tail lights is it. And then I'll do a power check, see what's power wired and get the number plate lights wired up. I'll do this in a... Oh no, I have my nice new header tank. Even if it is a aftermarket item. Let's see, we'll get another bracket made for the other one. And that'll be that. A crank day it is, eh? It's nearly October too. I had a big jacket on earlier, but it's off now. So it is. Right, I've got an old horn here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and connect the horn with these crocodile clip wires onto these number plate lamps wires and see if they work. I've got somebody to do a light check with me. The left hand lights are working. Only one that's working on the right hand side's indicator. I'll try this first. Try it again, the crocodile clip would come off. There you go. So it's definitely getting power. That's fine. I can go ahead and rewire these number plate lights now. What I'll do is I'll try a bulb in another one that's away. See if I can get it to work. Right. I don't know that the driver's one's working. This is the plastic one. I pulled the bulb out it. It'll be so easy to test this one because it's still wired up. There is a connection there. Well, one's there, so if I pull out the power one, I think it's the power. That's a bullet type thing. It's an easy way to test that, isn't it? Or I could just try a bulb in it. Right, I'm not going to pull that other number plate light connector off. What I'm going to do is, I think what's maybe happened is, this had an LED number plate light on it and I got it. And I just pulled it off, flung it away, and I think that was connected to that one that I just checked. I think what's maybe happened is they've not known how to change the bulbs. It's what you do is you take the thing apart and then sort of grum it. So I'll wait till somebody's here to check me because I've got LED light bulbs in the house, but they only work one way. So I'll take this cover off and get this back light in there. See if I can get it to work. Never mind, the whole wiring was at it, so I don't know if they were working before, I never checked, so I'll put this cover off and then have a dicky. Right, I think I found the problem. Bulb appears to be okay, which I thought it would be, and it is plugged in fine, which is fine, but it was difficult to get out, and it must make the contact on the bits, and I feel inside it, it's something loose, so I'm going to try and get that back in. I don't think it's going to work. Maybe I'll wait until someone's here that can see to tell me exactly what the story is with it. Because I don't think it's going to work. Right, I'm going to take the backlight out it. And then get exactly what's going on with it. Well, somebody else can. I'm managing to slacken all these nuts with my fingers. I'll see if I can get them right off. So I'll wind them out the now and take it from there. Right, I've just about got this light off. A wee tip. When you take these lights out and these little folders of that when they're bonded in, what I do is take the nuts off and you push it out by the threads, by the stud, that way you're not prying it off for the back, damaging nothing. Normally I would hit it with the wee extension, but I didn't even need a socket to get them off, so pull this off of there. Right. What the hell's going on with this? What's this bloody about this? Causing me problems. That's not that one, because that one's alright. Oh, it's hard. That one. Yeah, aye, see that bit's falling down. I wonder if that's the problem. That's an electrical connector. Yep, I'm pretty sure what's happened is there's a ring in there and that's supposed to hit the bulb tight and it's come adrift. Might be able to fix that. I'll definitely get a sight person to look at it though. Right, well I might as well get this number plate amp holder prepared to go back on. I'll wait till somebody's here to give me a hand with the solder sticks because I just burn my fingers with them. I'll get this ready and I'll put an LED bulb in it. When someone's here we can mess about and see if I can get the other one to work. Solder that back on. And aye. I'm glad I took that light out because that's needs some treatment in there. I scraped off all the old stuff, but I'm going to take that one out too. I went on about that. I'm going to go in and look and see what's in the old stock light is on eBay, a genuine one. I should have seen them. Not messing about aftermarket, but sugar. Right. I think what I'll probably do is, this one's the power wire. That's plentiful there, that'll be nice and easy. This one that's short here is the earth. I think I'll make a new earth wire. and that can be, yeah, come out just to give it a wee bit more. Right, I've put an ID bulb in there. I don't know if it's in right or not. Might have to wait till it gets darker, but I'm going to try it. Yeah, I can't get this to work. What I need to do is get a couple of needles in the end of that bloody horn I've got. And crocodile clips. I'll leave this till it's get a bit darker. Right, the feather's been at this and he's made this metal bit there. Holds that in place. Now, two of the tabs are broken off right enough. I'm going to try it and see if it works. If this works, then I can refit it after I've treated this bit there. I'll plug this in now. I'm going to try it. Right, I'm just going to wrap this up now. Still not got this done. I need to earth the backlight. I'm pretty sure it earths through the bolts to try it, but I'll put copper grease on that to stop that rusting until I get the rust converter on. Still can't get these two numberplate light bulbs to work, but I'll get something to give me a wee hand just to make sure they're in properly. I don't think they are. But I'll get it done, I'll get it buttoned back up. Somebody's here. Still messing about with this. Don't think they're working though. Anyway, I'll get this put together and I'll put this video there. Oh. We'll get there. Get there.